Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
If the so-called Pan-Africanist leaders in our country were really serious about the Pan-Africanism, if anger yabo wouldn't be towards the South African citizens, but their anger or the questions would be towards the leaders in the other African countries. Our presidents, current and previous, they would have meetings with the African presidents. They would go into the African countries, but angibona ukuthi bebebahold accountable ukuthi yindaba abantu beni bebaleka. Why nenza so? Because if we look at izolo besikwimarch, and I was so glad mekhona babanjiwe nama drugs ngoba mesisho njalo ungathi siqamba manga ngathi siyadlanya asibafuna abanye abantu sine afrophobia. Now isisukile kwi-xenophobia, now it's afrophobia. So ukuthi aslang these people bayigebengu. Abanye bebengasizona igebengu mebefika la. It's because it's their way of life now. Ngoba vele South Africa inamthetho, yabo? So, if usuka eNigeria and come to South Africa, uyohlala ePoint, yabona okade sihambisana naye eduze, sithe masinyathela ePoint. Sathi kwaze kwanuka. Kuvele kwanuka. I kid you not. Ubuka ama buildings ukuthi awanakiwe nje kubi, yabo? And these people are living the comfort of their own homes to come and live in these conditions. Why? It is so bad ekhaya that uthi ngcono ngihlale emgaqweni ngoba phela kufanele uhlale emgaqweni lapho, yabo? Yes, bawa hijackile lama buildings, but I remember few years ago wayesho umunye athi ungabaqashisi labantu bokufika in your apartments, because in your apartments kithi mina ngobani athi because uthola sebefake ama partition in one room bangahlala be 6 or 7 ngoba they rather suffer here ngoba it's better is suffering yala than home. So if you call yourself a Pan-Africanist leader when ufuna unite Africa, start by holding ama leaders around the African continent accountable for the wrong they are doing. Ukuthi abantu babo ngaze bancamela ukuzofa la, then stay in their own country. I remember a few years ago, President Zuma, he was still a president. He said this and I got upset. You know, maybe the issue is not abantu who are here, is us finding the roots as to why these people are living their countries and coming here. Angim understandanga, but today it rang. Ukuthi kahle he was saying, let's go back and ask ukuthi kwenzakalani. You know, what is happening? That should have been done. No, we cannot have an influx of people bebalega into South Africa. And if you look at the map of Africa, in Nigeria, ile good, but abantu bakhona la abagcwele. Yini le engaka? President wethu recently bela eZimbabwe. Mnangwango ulokhu kuthiwa besikhuluma about it. Mnangwango, why abantu bakho bebaleka in the country? What are you doing wrong that abantu bakho rather die endleleni? They rather balunywe ingwenya lapha emanzini than to stay here kwenzakalani? If our leaders can turn their focus into other African leaders except us ngoba thina xenophobic sibabe vele ke thina esilwela amalungelo ethu, bakhulume with other leaders, then yabo le African unity abayifunayo, it can happen, but it won't happen kubona besaba hold accountable other leaders. Thina funeke share the little that we have. Right now we're paying siya ku 40 rand iliter phela manje petrol. Isinkwa sizonyuka sibe umalini, yonke into izonyuka and imsebenzi ayikho. That is why we are so frustrated. Ngoba yonke into is on the rise, it's on the rise, and imholo yabantu ayinyuke. And then you feel abantu we need to share that we can't. We have nothing to share right now. It's not even enough for yourself and your kids endlini. How are you going to share nomakhelwane? So mebeclaima le pan-Africanism yangeke iyenzeke la nto eNigeria abantu bakhona bethi bayamasha banikwe i-rice then they go home. It shows the state of the country. We might laugh about it, but it's sad ukuthi how many people are so poor that bajabuleli rice kwimashi. Kuyimanje thina sikhiphe ama-drug dealers lapha ePoint. Upresident waseNigeria uthi yena uzokhipha legitimate businesses ngoba wase-South Africa because he wants to fight back. And people are clapping. People are clapping here like, no. We cannot have leaders abanjalo and ama-leaders wethu athule ngoba nawo afuna ukuride le wave yokuthi hayi vele we need to live and build with our African. No, we cannot build with our African brothers and sisters up until bona in those high positions. They hold those leaders accountable. The state these people live in here in the country, akusibona bonke who live in luxury. It's those few laba ke asebele phezulu aseba ama-drug dealer ngempela ngoba most yabo vele they're into criminality. But most of them, they live in disgusting conditions. Babalekela emakubo. Yazi ukuthi ngisho uhlala emjondolo. Kumnandi emjondolo wakini. Bona abawufisi bafisa lowa la eSouth Africa. And there's a problem. We are not being xenophobic. And kahle if bona they want to stop this, they need to find a solution yokuthi bakhulume nama leaders ukuthi we cannot, because South Africa is not a solution for the African continent. We are not. Asingesikwazi nje bakithi sesibagcine kwanele manje. So bonke ke laba bakhuluma i-pan-Africanism angithi nabo bahlezi basitshela ukuthi akuyiwe oranje nayo into engabe bayayenza ke bona ke. Nami sengiyabatshela into engabe bayayenza bona. Bakhulume nama leaders khona soyibona into esiyenzayo.
A South African lady is saying no to illegal immigrations, and I understand her very well. She asked so many questions that really stood out to me, and one of those questions is that why does these foreigners leave their own country to come and stay like in a very, and I don't know how to put this, but the places that they stay in, it's just something else. Like it is something else. And for me, I feel like those people, they did not come here for luxury lifestyle or, I just feel like they come here to look for the money. That's what they're running after. That's why they don't mind to stay in one room. That's just too suffocating for me. They don't mind to stay in one room, 6 of them, 5 of them, even though I've never witnessed something like this. But as she said, and also staying in buildings that have been abandoned, buildings that are just, I don't want to say this. And she said also she has been asking herself, why are these leaders not doing anything? Why will they do something? It's the same. I feel like in Africa, we have got a very big problem when it comes to our leaders, like a very big one. They do not consider their citizens. They only consider themselves. And it's very sad to witness. Because if you check in Africa, the better country, I think it's South Africa, and even in South Africa as well. These leaders, they do not listen to citizens. They don't listen to citizens. They do their own things, and it's just a lot. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this one?